Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan. I'm your cello coach, and today I'm going to review the KraftGeek Bravo music stand. Link in the description below if you want to pick this up. Before I get into the actual package itself, it comes with this bag. This is fantastic. It's a bag, yeah? And inside the bag, we've got the other bits. So we have a cell phone holder, the flexi mounts. We also have a Lumilight as well. So the Lumilight, for those of you who are stuck in the 20th century and use paper, you're going to need this when you play in darker environments. This right here is going to be super important for those of you out there that use your phone, and it looks like you even can go to a tablet, so I'm really surprised on that. So that actually got a little bigger. Check this out. There's a button on the back, you push, and it gets bigger, and now you're just really extended out. Does it hold an iPad Pro? Because that's what I use. I pull it out to the furthest click out, very nice. And there I have it. There you go, a full-size iPad in this cell phone. What would have been a cell phone holder, now it's an iPad holder. Here's the ringer. This is a fold-up music stand, and usually these music stands are super flimsy, so I'm going to test it with everything that I do in my life. You know, you can read the instructions like a normal person, or you can be like me and just okay, there it goes. Okay, there it goes. All right. Whoa, check it out. Okay, pretty cool. I guess I lock it back and it stays. Whoa, keep going high. Geez, crazy. And the thing about being a cellist, you need your stuff to be low. Very interesting. This is a very big part. There are plastic bits back here. This is plastic. That's plastic. This is like an extendable thing to hold your music, but you can slide this up and down to variate the size. Check this out. So these are rubber bits, yeah? And that keeps your various stuff on your music stand. That's super important. Let's say that you use your phone for your lessons and your iPad for your music, because who uses paper anymore? So I'm going to put that there. I'm going to push this button on the back. That's going to bring in the clamp. I'm going to take my phone, which is a big one, the big iPhone, stick it in there. It feels sturdy enough to hold a full-size smartphone and an iPad, which is pretty nifty. You can go. You know, how many things do you put on your stand? I put a lot. A tuner, my boat. Look at that. Let's talk about more traditional players, which you don't have iPads, but you have a book of music. Boop, like this right here. Let's just say you're super traditional and you don't have any smartphones, and there you go. So you put your tuner there, yeah? And then, you know, it's a bit dim in the room, and you're going to need to use your Lumilight right here. Apparently, I guess it goes on the top. There's your Lumilight. So I have it attached to a battery, a chargeable battery, which is super nifty. All right, let's see how well this lights up our music. Now I'm going to just put that on the stand, and just see how well this is lit. I am quite impressed by the light. That's the highest setting, that's the medium setting, and that's off. You're probably going to have a battery charger, and you're not going to have double A's. And so USB-C is direct to that. It's going to sort you out. And there you have it with the typical paper. The true test is, can this be used truly in the context of an online cello lesson? Because I have a lot of experience doing this, 10 years now, I'm pretty sure that if I can mount here the phone, I have students that use their phones because you don't need a lot of technology to have an online cello lesson. You can just have a phone. Now this is still a portable music stand. Tighten it nice. You're probably not going to want to put an iPad up there, but why not? Check this out. Look at this. Now, Look at that. Oh, and then we can pull these down a little bit because that's flat right there, holds it up. Hold your Korg tuner up in there. Legit. I mean, you're going to try to do this probably because many of you don't have tuners with you because you're modern people don't like analog. But check this out. You can put your phone in there, kind of stick it in there. I have an iPad Pro. I have a big old phone and a book in there. There we go. So far, everything is perfect when it comes to this. I am fully impressed. Fully impressed. I can't be more impressed. I've never, ever seen a portable music stand do this. Do this? Last test is to then load it up as the modern musician would. No paper because we're not stuck in the 20th century. There you go. 2 iPad Pros, plus your phone, plus a bow on a portable music stand? KraftGeek, your Bravo music stand. Speechless. A portable music stand. Right. Look at that. 2 iPads. Pros, the big ones. Proper size for musicians. Oh, you do that. Okay. And that. Okay, I get it. And then that. Oh, very nice. Liking it. Loosen this up right here. Unlock this. Push it up. Push it in. What I like about it also, there's no like sharp bits to it. Everything's nice and rounded. They really thought out the design with this. There's no sharp, flimsy bits at all. If you're going to summer camp, you're gigging, you use paper, you use iPads, I think that you need to look no further and check out the KraftGeek Bravo music stand. This is the best portable fold-up music stand I have ever seen in my entire life. Highly impressed by everything, by its ability to carry iPads, 2 iPads. KraftGeek, you've knocked it out of the park. Good job on that. Link is in the description below if you want to pick one up. And for all those out there who enjoy my content on my channel, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for sharing, thanks for liking the video if you like my reviews and like my channel. And the last bit before I go, I want to give a special shout out to my niece, Luna. You have done such a wonderful job. Thank you so much for graduating from the school, which I love too. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for being part of the legacy, and wonderful work, wonderful work. You're a very talented artist. I hope you do wonderful things. All right, cheers everybody. See you in the next one.